Still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you.
Imagine machines working for you, producing high-demand products with minimal effort. Today, we're exploring 13 small but powerful machines that can start making you money from day one. From samosa making to spice powder, each machine unlocks a unique income stream. Ready to discover which machines can turn your passion into profits? Welcome to Prince Sam Official. Please subscribe, comment, like and share. Thank you. Step-by-step guide and machine overview. 1. Automatic samosa making machine, perfect for anyone looking to tap into the popular snacks market. Produces samosas at scale for small businesses or large events. Find suppliers offering training and maintenance services. 2. Cattle feed making machine, for farmers or those in agricultural supply. Makes nutritious cattle feed efficiently. Research ingredient sources and local feed regulations. 3. Offset printing machine, ideal for small printing businesses. Uses high-quality printing for businesses, events, and advertising. Learn basic printing skills and design software. 4. Edible teacup making machine, a unique, eco-friendly option for tea shops or cafes. Produces edible teacups that customers can eat after drinking, reducing waste. Market to eco-conscious customers. Consider partnerships with local tea stalls. 5. Tissue paper making machine, in high demand for hospitality and household sectors. Makes tissue rolls or napkins used in restaurants, hotels, and homes. Focus on quality materials, develop relationships with hotels and event planners. 6. Ice cream cone making machine, perfect for ice cream parlors and dessert businesses. Produces crispy ice cream cones in various shapes and sizes. Experiment with different flavors and sizes to attract unique customer bases. 7. Spice powder making machine, a profitable choice for those in food production. Grind spices like turmeric, chili, and coriander for local or retail sale. Source fresh spices for quality, package attractively to stand out in stores. 8. Aluminum foil making machine, essential for food packaging businesses. Produces aluminum foil rolls, used in packaging and food storage. Target bakeries and catering businesses. Emphasize your product's durability. 9. Ball pen making machine, great for businesses in stationery or educational supplies. Manufactures ballpoint pens in bulk, ideal for schools and offices. Customized pen designs to appeal to specific customers or brands. 10. Paper making machine, in demand for eco-friendly paper and packaging. Produces paper from recycled materials, ideal for sustainable packaging. Promote to eco-conscious companies. Consider offering custom sizes. 11. Noodles making machine, a solid investment for anyone interested in the food industry. Makes noodles in different shapes and thicknesses for local or commercial sale. Experiment with ingredients for unique flavors. Target local restaurants. 12. Incense stick making machine, popular in cultural and spiritual markets. Produces incense sticks for religious or therapeutic purposes. Use natural ingredients. Connect with religious institutions and stores. 13. Paper egg tray making machine, a valuable asset for poultry farms or packaging providers. Makes durable, eco-friendly egg trays from recycled paper. Partner with local poultry farms. Focus on sturdy, biodegradable designs. You can get all of these 13 small machines for your business in India Mart at a good rate. These 13 small machines offer unique business opportunities that can help you generate steady income. Each one is designed to simplify production and let you start a profitable business with minimal effort. By choosing the right machine for your market, you can create a sustainable business that meets real demand. If you found these ideas inspiring, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Prince Sam Official for more tips on starting successful businesses. Drop a comment below on which machine caught your attention the most, or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video.